I'm hungry. So I have a chicken breast here, and I just finished shooting another show, so I'm going to mash this down and make a little chicken fried chicken. Beautiful. There's my chicken. It's gorgeous. Then I'm just going to cut it in half. So the rest of this recipe is pretty simple. I've got a pan heating here on my little cooker here, and I'm going to take a chicken breast, the ugly one of course, and just dredge it in rice flour. There. Take the second one and dredge it in the rice flour as well. You don't want a heavy coating, you just need a light coating. And I seasoned the rice flour with some salt and pepper, and that's it. And then we're going to take the ugly guy here, we're going to drench it in some buttermilk. Doesn't have to be a lot. Let that excess drip off. And then we're just going to put it in this mixture. This is gluten-free flour with some garlic and onion, salt, pepper. So that oil is ready. I'm going to drop it in the pan. Perfect. And then we'll get the other one going. So this pretty one, we're going to douse it as well in the buttermilk. There was just enough to do this. And then into the final dredge, panko, gluten-free flour, salt, pepper, onion, garlic. You could also add a little cayenne if you want some heat. That looks pretty darn good. And we just drop that one in. And literally, that's it. It's super simple. Chicken fried chicken. Just to make sure that it's done, we're going to cook that chicken about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Well, it's looking good. Give it a flip. That looks good. If there were such a thing as smell-o-vision, y'all would be really happy right now. The chicken is done. I'm going to pull these out. They made a lot of noise while they were cooking. There was a lot of water in there. The chicken is done. This is a really quick and easy way to have some tasty fried chicken any night of the week. Go to evolutionaryeats.com/recipes for this one and many more, especially that real chicken fried steak recipe. You can find me on Instagram at Evolutionary Eats and on Facebook at Evolutionary Eats. And when I'm feeling a little weird and hungry, I'll go to Twitter. I'm Lou, this is Evolutionary Eats, and this is chicken fried chicken.